Your network determines your net worth. What's going on, guys? How you doing? On my way to the seaport right now. I'm gonna go to King's over there, and there's a networking event that I'm going to with one of my other dudes in real estate. So we're gonna go over there, network, meet with some other entrepreneurs, and yeah, see if we can't make some things happen. If not anything, we can build some rapport and foster some new relationships. Your network determines your net worth. So I'm always trying to build relationships with other people, especially those who are where I want to be or a step above. That way I can up my game. And I put this up on my Instagram. If you're not following me, make sure you go follow me now. Let's connect there. Link is in the description. It's at Sean_Lunny. But I just wanted to share with you guys 3 ways to start your morning off perfectly. And tip number 1 I'll give you, since I'm stuck in traffic here, is to wake up and just say what you're grateful for. All right, just say everything you're grateful for. The example that I gave in my Instagram post was that every morning I wake up and I say, I'm so happy and grateful to be alive and that I'm 100% healthy. That just saying what I'm grateful for just instantly puts me in a good mood. So that's tip 1. And as soon as I get to Seaport, I'll give you tip 2. Alright, I just found parking. Had to go down to the financial district. Got to go back across the bridge or the Seaport. Usually, there's a pro tip if you're in Boston. It's after 5. There's usually meter parking after 5 because most of the working professionals are gone. So, pro tip if you're looking for parking in and around the city, financial district, and in Gem for parking. My next tip to start your morning off perfectly is to simply write down your goals and be very specific when you do this. And after you write them down, more importantly, you need to visualize. Be as specific as you can when you do visualize. Incorporate all 5 of your senses. What are you seeing? What are you smelling? What are you hearing? What are you feeling? It'll help you attract things into your life. It's a beautiful day. It finally feels like spring is here. I think we might just skip spring, might go into summer. It's supposed to be 80 tomorrow, if you can believe it. But yeah, thank God the winter seems like it's finally over. Little pre-party action, boys. Let's get crazy, huh? And so what committing your goals to paper does is makes you remember it a lot better. I don't know about you guys, but when I was in school and I wrote down my notes, I retained information a lot better. But also when you write them down, subconsciously, it makes you hold yourself a little more accountable. So I'm gonna finish up this coffee. I'm gonna go to the networking event. And after that, I will give you the final tip. Alright, so I just left the networking event on my way back to the car. My 3rd tip is to meditate. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, get centered. 60 seconds of silence, and just get clear your mind, get into a Zen-like state, and you'll be amazed at the focus you'll have for the rest of the day. So I hope that you guys enjoyed these tips, and as always, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.